Welcome to TechTether.
192.168.0.100 router admin login. 192.168.0.100 is a private IP address to change Wi-Fi password, SSID, and other default router or modem settings at http://192.168.0.100. Open your computer or laptop. Type in 192.168.0.100 and hit enter on your keyboard. A login screen will appear, prompting you to input the admin login and password combination. You will be logged into the admin settings. Note, the default username and password will be printed on a sticker on the back of your router/modem. Change Wi-Fi password and SSID. Log into the router web management page. Go to Wireless Network Settings from the menu and select the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi settings. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the Wi-Fi network name/SSID field. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the Wi-Fi password/pre-shared key/passphrase field. Click Save to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.